and welcome back to my channel. It's Serena here. I am super excited because today I'm going to be using a couple of the Rare Beauty products from the Selena Gomez makeup line. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I have here, let's see, the Illuminating Primer. I'm actually borrowing my sister's products because these are hers. So let me go ahead and apply this all over my face. Usually I don't use any primer, so this will be interesting to see how my makeup look turns out with using primer. Okay, so right now I am letting you know that it feels really refreshing. I know sometimes I have a lot of redness, so this is great because it feels refreshing. And actually my skin felt really dry today. I think I need to drink more water. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. I do need to go ahead and get my eyebrows taken care of. I just do them myself at home. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Oh, and I already did put primer on my eye. I don't think can this be used on the eye? I have no idea. Go ahead and apply some concealer under my eyes using the Rare Beauty concealer here. This is the number 250W. Okay, so we'll see how this goes.
Alright, going to dab it with my finger.
And I'm going to conceal here too. And actually, I'm just going to put it all over my cheek too because I have a lot of redness where my cheek is most of the time. Going to bring that down here a little bit, just a tad. And you know what? It's doing a really great job covering my imperfections from what I'm noticing here. Not bad. It's not like a super heavy concealer. I think I just need to apply more there. That looks pretty good to me. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the foundation on my face. I'm using the Rare Beauty foundation. This is 260N, so we'll see how it applies. I'll go ahead and swatch this here. That way you can see that color there. So far on camera I think it does look a little bit neutral, but when I look at it in person it looks a little bit warm toned, so we'll just see how this applies on my face. I mean, I don't think I'm a lighter color than this. Is that the light color? I'll have to look it up. So anyways, I did go ahead and apply foundation. Oh my god, why am I using my fingers if I have my brush here? Okay, here I go. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry if my birds are making so much noise, you guys. They can get pretty loud. That's why I usually don't film in my living room, because I have the birds and they do make a lot of noise.
So what does that look like? Does that look more neutral? I wonder.
I'm going to go in with the Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil. This one, it is a deep brown. So, oh, okay.
it's magic. Light strokes, everyone.
Have to do my... I usually have pretty full eyebrows, so oh my god. Are you kidding me? Oops. I just ruined this. Okay, this has the liquid color here. Oh wow, okay. That was pretty soaked in there, if you can see that. Okay. So I filled it with the pencil now. This is like the gel. Cream. Okay. Not bad at all. All right, so I'm going to add some of the illuminator here, here, and then here. The blush, I'm going to be using the Joy color. I think I only need a little bit of this color. And I'm also going to be using this as my lip color. Which I'm pretty sure is okay to do. Ooh, it's like a peachy color. I love that. Uh-oh. It came out very light peachy on my lips. Go in with the same brush and then just try to blend this. Oh my gosh. I don't think I needed the second dot here.
Oh, Jesus. Oh my god. Okay, this is harsh. This is definitely... You really don't need much at all.
I'm going to apply a little bit on my nose. That's just like a personal preference. I definitely look sunburnt. All right, so then since that's kind of like foundation and try to cover that. I mean, I definitely like a lighter color for my blush. I don't like it to be like, to look like it's too much, so I'm going in with my foundation again, trying to kind of mix the two, mix like the blush for a more natural finish.
Okay, that's much better, everyone. That's much better there.
I think that's much better. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Honey palette. I apply that all over my eye. I really do love Urban Decay. And I love their eyeshadow brush too. It's really nice. Okay. I'm going to go in with the honey color, which is this one here. It's like a yellow green color. Wow. That's beautiful, everyone. I love that. Much as I possibly can. And then I really like the amber color too. It's like a shimmery color, so I'm going to go in there on top here.
Blend that out.
Curled my eyelashes. I'm going to be using the Burberry mascara here, which is like the most expensive mascara that I own. Actually, it's probably the most expensive eye makeup that I own.
Oops. I left some mascara on my eyelid. So anyways, going to try
To fan that out here. Oops. I really love this mascara. It's like so liquidy. The only problem with this mascara that I have is really that it's not waterproof. It always gets down below here, which I hate, but what can you do? All right, everyone, so I think we're almost done here. What does everyone think? I definitely think I look a lot more luminous, which is pretty funny. Step, I do have this illuminating mist, so it feels super refreshing. And I think, well, I think it's a setting mist. I won't be surprised if I need a blend. Okay, so you guys can see already that the mascara went underneath there and underneath here, and that's like the only thing that I hate about this mascara is that it's not waterproof. Okay, so this one went back in the tube, and I did email ColourPop about that, so I'm waiting to hear back. So I'm going to use this, which is like a purple shimmery color. I'm going to use it here inside. That way, I find that for me, purple makes my eyes pop. So that's why I kind of want to apply it. But you guys, it went back inside the tube once I started applying it. So hopefully they'll email me back soon. I hope they can send me like new pencils because they just keep going back in there every time I try to use them. So can you see a difference if the eye actually popped with applying the gel eyeliner versus not applying it? Interesting, right? Okay, but anyways, I think I'm all done here. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. If you would like me to review or do another makeup look using the Urban Decay palette, honey palette here, then definitely let me know below. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye.